Hello everyone. Let's dive into the V60, a mid-tower PC case that's turning heads with its elegant curved tempered glass front panel. This case isn't just about looks, though. It's designed for performance and compatibility. The first thing you'll notice is that stunning curved glass. It offers a panoramic view of your components, making it perfect for showing off your high-end hardware and RGB lighting. The case measures 475 by 285 by 398 millimeters, a sweet spot for a mid-tower, providing ample space without being overly bulky. Cooling is a major strength of the V60. It comes pre-installed with 7 ARGB PWM fans, all managed by Fan Hub. This setup ensures excellent airflow right out of the box, keeping your components running cool even during intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads. For those who prefer liquid cooling, the case supports 360mm AIO radiators on both the top and bottom, offering plenty of options for custom cooling loops. Compatibility is another area where the V60 shines. It supports ATX, MATX, IDX, and even back-connect motherboards, giving you the flexibility to build with a wide range of components. There's plenty of room for large GPUs, up to 445 millimeters in length, and CPU air coolers up to 160 millimeters tall. The case also accommodates ATX power supplies up to 210 millimeters, providing enough space for high wattage units. The front I/O panel is well equipped with a USB Type-C port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and audio jacks. The inclusion of USB Type-C is a welcome addition, offering fast data transfer speeds for modern devices. The ARGB lighting control button allows you to customize the lighting effects, adding a personal touch to your build. The V60 is a well-rounded case that combines aesthetics, cooling performance, and compatibility. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a first-timer, this case offers a great foundation for your next build.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.